PD6 here. Today's my birthday, and one of the gifts that I got from my daughter was this cool backup camera. You just, it goes around your license plate, and then you have a monitor inside. So I want to unbox it, and we're going to install it. Alright, well, let's open this baby up. Pretty nice. Check this out. Here's the license plate frame. And it's pretty heavy duty, well, I'd say. But there's the little backup camera right there. And then here is the little monitor. Now the cool thing about this thing is it's 12-volt powered plus solar powered, and this thing kicks on when you just wave your hand in front of it. So I think it says here, but I've got window mounts, dash mounts, all different kinds of mounts, so those are here somewhere. Okay, so here's all the directions. So this is a Type S solar powered HD quick connect wireless backup cam with 5-inch hand wave activated monitor. Oh, there's all the, it looks like the window mount, and that must be for the dash. And then we got the power cords over here. Ooh, USB. And those are some pretty heavy duty looking bolts for mounting such a little monitor. And then there's a fuse. Alright, I think that's it. So the next step is to install this baby. I think I'm going to install this in my Chevy Suburban because I already have one in the motorhome. So I'll put it in that because I haul the motorcycles and snow machines with the Suburban. So this way I can look back and see how they're doing, and plus back the trailer up. Alright, so I just looked over the owner's manual, and you have to charge this license plate frame with a USB right there. And it's got this waterproof seal. I don't know if I like the idea of having to take this off every time it has to be charged. It is a nice license plate frame. Alright, well, let's take this thing over here and plug it in. Okay, I see a red light there. So it must be charging. Well, so now that we have everything charged, we just need to figure out where we're going to mount this little monitor. I already have a thing here. Let's see if this will work on the existing one. Seems pretty solid. Well, the cool thing about this is it has a magnetic back, so you just kind of go like that. Alright, so I haven't mounted the license plate yet, so we need to do that now. Okay, so now I'm supposed to push up on this on button then I'll see a blinking blue light, which I see right there. And that means that this is on because I've charged it. Now, what's cool is this right here is a solar panel. So as the sun hits this throughout the day, this will help charge it. So I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, so now let's try this out. I should be able just to wave my hand. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta plug it in. Oh, check it out. I can see behind the vehicle. Cool. Alright, so there are buttons up here, and if you hit this button, then you get those lines that come on. And then there's plus or minus where you can move this. Plus you can adjust the camera up and down and a little bit to the sides, but I think it looks just perfect. For me backing up to a trailer full of motorcycles or snow machines. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're getting ready to go out to dinner, so I want to see what it looks like while I'm driving down the road.